friends, for making chili chicken, we need 500 grams of chicken cubes. This is breast chicken. You can see these are cubes. And now in this you have to add half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. So now we have to add ice cold water, 2 tablespoons. This is a very important step. This will keep your chicken juicy and soft. And now mix it well and keep it for marination for 45 minutes. So friends, after mixing, you have to keep the chicken in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. So now for preparing the outer covering, we need 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. So now you have to whisk it nicely. Now you have to add cold water, half cup. This will make our chicken juicy and soft. So friends, now you have to add in this 8 tablespoon cornflour, now you have to add 12 tablespoon maida. Now you have to whisk it well until you get a smooth batter. If the batter is more thick, you can add more water to get the required consistency. So friends, now the batter is ready. The coating is ready for the chicken to be coated. And now the consistency should be like this. So friends, now we have to add the chicken which we had marinated into this batter to coat them properly. So now I'm gonna mix this well so that the batter covers this chicken properly. So now friends, we have to deep fry the chicken. You have to preheat the oil and then deep fry this chicken. Friends, you have to half fry this chicken. So now friends, I'm going to fry second batch of chicken. I have fried this first batch of chicken. It is half fried now. So friends, now you have to fry the chicken again on a high flame. See friends, now the chicken has turned brown. So friends, now for preparing the sauce, in a saucepan you have to add 2 tablespoons oil and then in it we have to add ginger and garlic finely chopped. So now you have to saute it well at high flame. And now you have to add the white part of spring onions. And now you have to add green chillies. Now after mixing this, we have to add all the 3 sauces, soya sauce, tomato ketchup and chili sauce in it and mix it. We have to add all the sauces 4 tablespoons. Chili sauce 4 tablespoons each. Now we are adding soya sauce and then stir fry it. Now you have to add half teaspoon pepper and 1 teaspoon sugar and stir it. The flame is on low. Now cut onion and capsicum into pieces and add it into it. And stir it. Now you have to add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Now while mixing, I am adding a chopped spring onion, the green part. Don't overcook this, and now you have to add the slurry of cornstarch and water. Add little salt if required. I am adding little water to make more gravy. Now add all the chicken pieces in the gravy. So now friends, stir fry it and cook for a few seconds. So friends, now our chili chicken is ready. Now I am going to taste it and tell you how it is made. It is very yummy and very soft. Now Ayaz is going to taste it and tell us how it is made. So friends, now I'll taste and tell you how it is. Yes, it's nice friends. Friends, you also try it at home. And leave a comment below. Friends, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching. So friends, now our chili chicken is ready. You can serve it with egg fried rice or chicken fried rice.